Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to format your thesis or report in Microsoft Word. So first of all, open a new Microsoft sheet and then go to the layout. Select a suitable size. In this case, we select A4 size. Now go to the margin and customize your margin. We select 1.2 from the left and the rest is 1 inches. Click OK. Make sure that it is selected as whole document. Click OK. Right now go to home, and since we are going to write a report or thesis, so we define our headings. So here you can see that normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2. So let us modify this heading 1 and right click on this and modify this heading. We want our heading to be area or time new Romans. Let's suppose we want it to be Arial. So select Arial and 14 size, make it black and bold it. Right, automatic update and then OK. So now let me open a sample file for you so as to save our time. So this is our title page, the title page of our thesis or report. So let me copy this data and copy this data as well. These two are title pages of our thesis or report. Control C and paste it here by pressing Control V. Okay, these are some of the guidelines that you have to follow. So you know that we do not have any title, we do not have any page number on the title page. Now you want to go to the next page, so do not go just by pressing the enter key. Here we start another section so that we can give it proper page numbers and Romans. So how you will do that? Go to the layout, press this bricks and section brick, go to section brick, so you will go to the next page. Now you can see that there are page numbers. Since we are not required with this page number, so we double click on the head this section, link to previous and delete this page number. Okay, now we are on the third page. So here this is author declaration, so let me write it manually. Author's declaration. Now I want to give it a heading, so click on heading. So you will see that it is marked as heading 1, and you can check it from here, from the navigation pane. Here you go to the view and click navigation pane, so you can see that author declaration is here. Now Control E, press Control E so that it comes to the center. Press enter and now write your author's declaration. So let me copy it here, copy and paste it here. Right, now go to the next page. So how will you go to the next page? There is no need to break it in section, so just press Control plus enter, Control plus enter. What is next? Abstract of the thesis. So just write here your abstract and click on heading 1 your abstract here. Abstract of the thesis or abstract of the report. Control C and Control V. Right. Now acknowledgements and all the other data dedication optional. Control C and Control Enter and Control V. So this is acknowledgement, but you can see that acknowledgement is not here. So all you have to do is to click on acknowledgement and press heading 1. So you will see that it comes here. Similarly, select this dedication and press heading 1. Okay. Control Enter so that it comes to the next page, right? Okay. Now we come to our table of content page. So just press Control plus Enter so that you come to the next page, right? Here we come to the next page. Now go to the references and from the references choose this table of content. If you have not selected any heading 1, then there will be no table of contents. If you have selected your headings, then here you can select. You can see that this is our table of content. Now we will update it at the when we finish our thesis or report. We will update this table of contents and it will update automatically. Okay. Now after our table of contents, what is the next step? List of figures and list of tables. Okay. So we Control Enter and write list of figures and choose is heading 1. Now Enter and Control Enter list of tables, choose it and make it. Now the next is list of acronyms or other. So let us start from the chapter 1 introduction. So you just write here. Now to give proper page number from 1 to 3, so for this you have to break the section. So I again go to the layout and next page so as to break the section. I write here chapter 1 shift plus enter and introduction. Choose this, Control E and give it heading 1, right? So you can see that chapter 1 introduction. Now write